All right, guys, so in today's video, I'm giving you 5 ways that you can easily double your earnings, your income as an Uber driver or even as a Lyft driver. So these are really 5 ways that you can start making more money and even double your income. So number 1 is get a free tablet to put in the back of your headrest. Your passengers, they're gonna get in and play games on it to try to win cash prizes, Amazon gift cards, etc. And you as a driver can make easily an extra $100 a month. It's passive income. It's with an app, a website called Play Octopus. Use our link below. They're now nationwide and even in some areas in Canada. So if you're anywhere in the US and you're an active Uber or Lyft driver, you will qualify. So use our link below, type in our code when you sign up. That way you can get on our list. Number 2 is start making money with TikTok, okay? If you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, you can easily start making thousands of dollars extra per month by just making short, quick videos on TikTok reviewing products, okay? We have a link below to apply and sign up and see if you qualify. Number 3 is sign up for Work Solo. Work Solo, they're gonna track all your miles for you. So when you do your taxes, you'll save way more money in taxes than if you just used Uber or Lyft's number, because that number is usually way lower because they don't account for all your miles. They only account for online miles. So if you use an app like Solo, you know, you could potentially be saving thousands of dollars extra per year. And they also pay you money. Firstly, when you use our link, they're gonna give you $10 when you sign up and link your gig account. So that's $10 right there. But they're also gonna pay you money when you go out and do rides and it's slow. So if it's slow, they're gonna pay you the rate that you should have made during a busy ride or a busy hour. So like, let's say you're doing Uber and you only make $8 in that hour, but the average in that hour is 24, they're gonna pay you $16 difference. So that way you can always hit your bonus, always hit your goals. Okay, number 4 is create a side hustle. One of the best side hustles right now is Shopify dropshipping. If you don't know about this, it's Shopify dropshipping. I love it because you can sign up and start, you know, make a website, start selling products, and you don't need to buy any inventory at all. So like, let's say you wanted to start selling like headphones or something. Well, with Shopify dropshipping, we have a link below to teach you how to do it all. Well, I actually teach you how to do it all. And you don't need to buy like 1,000 units because that would cost you like $20,000. Instead, you set up a website, you can put this on the website and promote it. And once somebody they're not gonna be Bose, obviously, they're gonna be like a different brand, but you can put it on the site. And when someone buys it, let's say you're selling these for 80, but you source it for 15. So you're gonna take the $80 first and then pay the supplier 15. So that way you just make the $65 profit and you didn't need to deal with buying any inventory. So check that out below. And the 5th way you can double your income, in my opinion, you could even triple or quadruple it, is by setting up a Faceless YouTube channel. Again, this is another side hustle, but this is a way that I've been making over $10,000 a month for over 5 years now. And I have a link below to teach you how to get started. You know, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with Faceless YouTube channels. That's how I was able to buy my house, pay off my credit card debt, pay off my car loan, all that stuff. And now I'm even saving up to buy a second house now, which is crazy. And it's all from Faceless YouTube channels and TikTok and doing social media. But mainly my main one's been Faceless YouTube channels. Now TikTok Shop, I'm actually making a lot of money with TikTok Shop now, which is kind of crazy. But the Faceless YouTube channel, link below. And all those guys, if you want to try any of those out, there's 30-day free trials on all of them. So literally you could try out all 3, try them out for 30 days, cancel it if you don't like it, and you wouldn't even pay a dime. But you know, the point is to stay in the group, and I'm gonna help guide you through it, like month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5, to the point where you're making 5, 6, 7, 10 grand a month. You know, that the whole point of that course membership program is I'm gonna like hold your hand and guide you step by step through. But I'm just saying, you know, if you want to sign up for the 30-day free trial and cancel it, like, I'm not gonna be mad or anything. I totally, like, I'm all about, if you're starting a new business, you should start something with little to no investment at the beginning. besides your time. I've always been like, okay, well, I have time, I can do that. My whole point is like, I'm not gonna spend $10,000 on a new business. I don't even know if it's gonna work. So what I like to do is spend usually less than $100 initially to test out something, test out a new business. Not anytime you're spending more than $200, $300, $400, typically you're the product or you're the customer, I guess, if that makes sense. So people are making money off of you. But if you can start a new business with like for less than $100, that's usually when, you know, because if it doesn't work, you can cancel it and boom, you only lost what, $40? It's like, okay, you can make that back. But if you're spending $5,000 on $500 on a course, whatever, like up front, then like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point. Check out those links below. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.